Hey friends, today I wanted to share with you my favorite up-and-coming Web3 games. Friendly disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with any of these Web3 projects and was curious to learn more about and wanted to share with you as they are my favorite up-and-coming Web3 projects that I have learned about so far. Be sure to always invest at your own risk and don't take my advice. I'm here to explore the Web3 space and learn about NFTs and NFT art and pretty much just curious in general. So welcome to the world of Illuvium, a shattered land of beauty and wonder. Travel the vast and varied landscape, hunting dangerous beasts, then capture them to battle in the arenas or trade via the exchange. Prior to launch of the game, Illuvium holders may choose to stake Illuvium to access the liquidity mining program, a type of yield farming that has become popular with DeFi protocols, where the founding team seeks to decentralize the governance of the protocol. We're already starting to see a shift away from novelty projects that don't add tangible value because ultimately they are unsustainable. And I really love how they go in depth about their tokenomics and they have graphs to show you. Let's see what the roadmap looks like. Looks like they started their roadmap back in 2020. I applied for the beta, waiting to hear back. So right here you can see that there's a deck builder coming soon. There's at least 3 different game modes planned. There's a survival mode, Ascendant, and Levithian, I think that's how you say it. This game looked especially awesome, not only because of the super cool art, and it's basically cats in mech suits, which I thought was so cute and creative, but also they donate towards rescuing cats. So obviously I am totally biased and I love this project. The future of Battle Royale rests in the paws of cats piloting robotic mechs. Embark on missions and collect catnip? Is that their coin? Oh, catnip. How cute. You can start staking now. Alright, what else does this awesome art look like? Nikovia was once the greatest civilization in the world. After centuries of peace, wealth, and technological advancements, its citizens, the Nyans, became arrogant and complacent. They made progress at the cost of sustainability. Their cities and technology began to consume more energy than could be produced. In response, giant Nyan-made machines were created to harvest the planet's own natural resources. One company in particular eventually rose above its competitors to become the sole energy distributor of Nikovia. That company was known as Starlight Corporation. Starlight Corporation promises a prosperous future for Nikovia. CEO of Starlight Corporation becomes mayor of Nikovia. Be the patriot we need. Become a miner today. A society in despair. Before long, Starlight Corporation had depleted most of the natural resources of Nikovia. The illness of the land that followed is now known as the corruption. It remains unclear whether it was nature's revenge or the will of the gods, but the disease spread swiftly. Landscapes became twisted, cities were ruined, and the machines that once served the Nyans mutated into deadly weapons that destroyed everything in their path. Today, only a few surviving Nyan remain. Save the cats! Okay, there's different types of arsenal, including an SMG called the Rapture, which has an extremely high rate of fire and high bullet velocity. Fires ballistic bullets and has a large recoil. Oh my god, look at that cat in that mech suit! Nyan Heros is a third-person shooter built on Solana. Players control their guardian mechs piloted by the brave Nyan Heros in a 60-person battle royale where the winning team will obtain valuable rewards. So cool. The journey so far. There's the web portal release, reveal, the NFT private sale, the seed round raise. Cool. Alright. You can check out all the details on the website right here. Yeah, this is like a really cool looking white paper and you can see their milestones. It's coming soon. We can join the community for now. Something I was really excited to do is get some properties on Solaris.so, which is a really cool project where depending on when you got in on the project, then you can decorate your building, the outside, and then you can also decorate the inside with your NFTs. exit into the Nexus. This is one of my other buildings. You can come right here to visit it. This is pretty much what the inside of the Solaris buildings look like, and then you can feature any NFT from your collection on the walls of your Solaris building. So I have some botborgs here, some of my other Solaris properties, and then some land cards from botborgs. Here on this skyscraper, I have a couple of different units on the same floor. There's two of my units right there. The only thing is that I wish that I could paint the walls or something, so I didn't really check, but maybe they'll make some updates in the future where you can also choose what color the walls are. But I do love how I can put my different NFTs up on the walls, and I like that. Pretty fun. This unit I decorated with my emote girls from Twitch. My little emote characters. Oh god. There they are right there. Oh god. Alright, it's got my little emotes from Twitch on the walls of the building. But as soon as you go inside of it, then you'll get to see the NFT collection. Alright, cool. This game, Ecosapiens, looked especially awesome. I love it when Web3 games branch into the real world and give back to the environment and stuff. So the Ecosapiens are NFTs created to sequester carbon forever. Ownership of an Ecosapien helps save our world and opens the door to theirs, the Ecoverse. Between 6 to 7 million years ago, the human lineage split with chimpanzees and gorillas. Homo sapiens, as we know them, have only existed for a few centuries, and in that time have lived almost exclusively by the Darwinian, violent whims of Mother Nature, aka the natural world. One day a tiger might tear you in two while wandering for berries. On another, a lightning storm would force you shivering into a cave without fire or warmth, only to find out it was already inhabited by a family of wolves. Sourcing food was dangerous and difficult. A state of steady starvation was the norm. Disease, confusion, death, and fear overwhelmed the human psyche as we desperately tried to understand what was happening. We began to cope as we evolved, developing tools, fire, symbols, and language. Yet despite the torture, nature and its majesty became universally revered. Versions of animism, the belief that spirits or gods inhabited all things, reigned supreme in varying forms in Aboriginal cultures worldwide. But no matter the belief, nature's unbridled power filled the human heart with an unending, unshakable, underlying terror. Ultimately, cultures emerged that felt like terror had no other option than to be conquered. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. We transmuted forests into farms, mountains into buildings, and fossils into electricity. The wilderness bordering our former tribal villages, once coloring our imaginations with mystical beasts, were clear-cut, leveled, and turned into consumer goods. We became extractivists. Nature's pain diminished as we cocooned our species in pipes and cement, wires and walls. And it makes sense. Millions of years of fear, starvation, and desperation. It was our turn to take, to flourish and control. We became borderline, if not outright vindictive. And now we find ourselves smack amidst the 21st century. Our rapid extractivist policy has turned against us. We've taken more than we should have, populated faster than we could have ever imagined, and in the process, destabilized Earth's ancient, tediously constructed biomes. And so we reach the present, digging ever deeper into our innovative prowess. How can we manipulate tools to repair the problems we've created in our desperate attempt at salvation? Third wave technologies, synthetic biology, quantum artificial intelligence, and nanotechnology, the combinations of which generate powerful and near limitless potential for repair, regrowth, and new synthesis. Nature was imprecise in its design, messy, slow, and prone to ruthlessness. And so, from the combination of these pressures and technologies, the Ecosapiens were born to remake nature systematically. The Ecosapiens are germinated in a device dubbed the ecosystem, a primordial pool of natural and synthetic biomatter governed by powerful quantum artificial intelligence. a Turing vortex of amino acids and programmable nanoparticles which enzymatically fuse and react, spawning novel and unprecedented biomass. I was really intrigued by the game art of the Ecosapiens project, so I'm really curious to see where it goes, and I'll definitely be keeping track of it. It sounded like the character will actually evolve in order to adapt based on its environment and the different things it comes across. I love the background story so far. One game that I'm definitely impressed by is Star Atlas. But yeah, the website is so cool. As you scroll down and animate, depths of the universe. Immerse yourself in the spectacular living metaverse and experience the future. Space technology of tomorrow. Fly your state-of-the-art spaceship equipped with 27th century technology to wherever your heart desires. I love that. I love that art, the way it zooms in on the Z-axis. Cool. What faction will you join? Join one of 3 main in-game factions. Live and prosper among the stars. A universe of opportunities. Build your fortune in your home in space. Explore and conquer. Look at this amazing game art. I love this character. Look at that skin and those spaceships. So awesome. Cool. So there's leaderboards, a marketplace, inventory, faction fleet. This game is definitely more developed than some of the other ones, which are usually NFT games at this point are a work in progress. The games are so new that even if you have a professional team on board, then it still takes time to develop a game. Items can be purchased and immediately configured to take on ship missions, claim land around the metaverse, and to build out mining operations, spawning further economic activity. These items include ships, mining equipment, collectibles, and much more. Check out that badass jellyfish ship. That is so cool looking. You can construct space stations. Look at that game art with some holograms. Nice. The Oni faction is a harmonious consortium of diverse species. The people of the Ohm sector, Segal, Akhenaten, and Muno systems collectively set aside their differences in the hopes of a more bountiful life in space. After the near total wartime extinction of the Sogmian race, the Miris, Punab, and Fotoli united firmly together under a strategic military pact to save the desperate ally. Through this pact, a breakthrough weapon of war was constructed. Before retaliation took hold to destroy the region's life force, a truce was soon declared for the betterment of all factions, and peace settled throughout. Since the signing of the peace treaty in 2523, the Council of Peace has been attempting to establish their borders by heavily militarizing their respective security zones and actively colonizing the medium risk zones. To do so, all 3 factions have launched enlistments to maximize their forces. We're in a golden age of space exploration where the stakes are high but the rewards are higher. Take part by aligning with a faction and committing your ships to the cause. Do I have to get the ship first? Okay, hold on. I'm ready to choose. I wanted to choose this person right here. Any site that pulls up your Phantom wallet or any other wallet, just make sure that you're getting charged for what you're trying to get charged for. Alright, let's look at our profile. Here's our new profile we just created. Alright, cool. So wait. We're in the Oni faction on Star Atlas now. I'll make a... How much are the ships exactly? Joined a faction on the Star Atlas game and I just had to pay like 0.015 soul to sign something. No. Yeah, I'm trying to see like how much is it to buy a ship? 159,000 what? I want extra small ship. How much is this ship? I thought it'd be fun to just like collect. Ooh, wait, what? Does that mean only $3.97? Because if so, then like I can totally buy a ship. Air bike? That's an air bike? Can I actually ride this air bike around if I buy it? Or is it just like an NFT that will show up in my wallet? Eve.io is another game that has really stood out to me so far because of how far along it seems to be. And the community is always bustling. Anytime I come into the Eve.io game, it seems like there's already players in here. So I'm always really excited to like come in here and have some fun. Oh, they have like a mint advertisement right up there. That's cool. So you can learn about the upcoming mints even within the game. Oh my god, I'm already dead. Figures. Yes, I got someone. Eve.io is definitely fun for running gunning. Okay. You can create a game, spectate, share a game, create a party, join a party. Log in, log in! I thought I had already logged in. Oh my god, I'm already dead. Okay. Oh my god. So there's some different game modes over here. Let's try the Battle Royale. Alright, we're doing the Battle Royale. I love how this game has so many different modes to choose from. This is like one of, I think, 8 or so. Of course, my favorite Battle Royale game is Apex Legends, but I also did enjoy Fortnite the times that I played it. I'm just like not really skilled at it, so you can imagine that I would like die a lot. So and I have a ton of patience for all my dying. Oh, damn. Okay, cool. You can use the scroll wheel to change your weapon. One of my weapons is a big machete. Okay, I did not even see who just killed me, but hey, there I am down there. Okay, once I'm logged in, then it remembers who I am. Here they are featured on Fractal. I received a friend request? Okay. Thanks for watching the video, friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.